I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to keep you updated. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the update of my carbon laser peels. So without any further ado, let's watch the video. See ya! I'm already here. Here is the clinic contact number. Aesthetic Elena. Aesthetic Studio Elena. So I'm gonna go inside. Walker dog. Okay.
The minute that I saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a toast. Damn, it's sunny. Should've brought less clothes. I gotta have you one last time. Take you off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I gotta have you one last time. One last night. One last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak. When you text me, you got needs. Only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak. But I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in 3. Be there in 3.
You got that something, baby, that I can go without, just like a poison in me. You're all that I'm about. Loving the highs, don't mind the lows. It's getting out of my control. I want that something, baby, 'cause I can go without. Mama used to tell me love ain't right if it ain't easy, but I'm in too deep to walk away from you. Papa used to tell me love should never drive you crazy, but I lose my mind if you don't get his suit. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. I'm a sucker for your love, for your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough. You can end it, say it's over, but I'm never going sober. I'm addicted to your love, to your love, your love. I'm never gonna get enough of your love. I want your love. I need your love. Call me back again tomorrow when you're sober. Signals fading, I got somewhere else to be. I'm an angel 'cause I love you when you're broken. You're the devil, you don't care how I feel. Yeah, I could get used to the magic of your love, but I know it's too good to be true. Yeah, I could get used to the magic of your touch. Yeah, I keep coming back to you. Ah, beep, 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 beep. Ah, beep, 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 beep. If you'd only open up your eyes, see me. I've been waiting there forever, can't you tell? Even love your darkest sides, but you don't need me. You don't need me, only see me as a friend. I could get used to the
I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of your voice. I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced
was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper, got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me to let go, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how funny you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call.
As you can see, this is my third session already. I still have one session left, and that will be on the 15th of August. I will keep you updated on that session as well. And for now, what are the things that I noticed, the changes on my face in this session? My main problem on my skin is I have post-acne scars, and also I have uneven skin tone, and also I have large pores in this area, in the T-zone area, and I wanted to minimize that. I think the carbon laser pills doesn't help on removing your post-acne scars, sadly, unfortunately, but on uneven skin tone, it helps a lot. It will gradually lightens your skin, and also for the pores, I can see that my pores is tightened little by little. And not like before, I have very large pores, and now I can see that I notice that it is smaller now compared before. It is more tighter. It will make your skin like smooth, and right after the treatment you can see that, you can notice that your skin become more glowing and plump instantly. And after my treatment is finished, my esthetician applied a sunscreen. I also applied my own sunscreen after that. The thing that I have done before my treatment, because I started using retinol as well for my acne scars. This is the retinol that I am using from Kiehl's, and I stopped using that before 1 week before my treatment, because when you are using retinol, your skin will tend to peel off almost every day, so your skin will be more sensitive to laser. So you have to stop applying harsh chemical on your face like 1 week before your treatment, especially the retinol. And the vitamin C serum, I'm also using vitamin C serum. I stopped using that like 2 days prior to my appointment, but the other serum like hyaluronic, it is fine to use it even before your appointment. On the day of your appointment, you don't need to apply anything on your face. You have to visit your esthetician bare face, because she's gonna cleanse your skin. So if you apply something on your face, it's just a waste. And so after the treatment, my aftercare is, of course, I didn't expose myself in the sun, because after my treatment I went to the grocery to buy something. I took umbrella, I put a lot of sunscreen on my face so that my face is protected. And then I didn't wash my face until now. It's been 12 hours already, but I didn't wash my face yet. I will wash it later before I go to sleep, and then I can apply just a gentle moisturizer and hyaluronic acid. I can apply it on my face, and then after 2 days or 5 days, I can start applying vitamin C serum, and then after a week I can apply the retinol again. So That's all for the update. I hope that you like my video, and if you have any question regarding carbon laser wheels, you are free to ask on the comment section. But before I end this video, I wanna thank every one of you, especially to all my members. Thank you so much for your never-ending support. I appreciate every one of you. Stay tuned for the last update of my carbon laser wheels that will be on the 15th of August. So I guess I will see you again on my next video. I love you all and kisses. Bye.
I'm getting tired of your bullshit. I'm tired of